Okay, I couldn't find a pause button, so this is video number 2. I'm gonna try and start this thing up. I couldn't ordered 2 new air filters, and it was three or 4 weeks ago, and I can't find where I put them. So I'm impatient. I'm just not gonna run it very long. I put the cover back on without the filter. Warranty's void anyway, so I'm not worried about it. So I'm going to put this in storage mode and just crank this a little bit, make sure the valves don't catch. Oh, I didn't plug the thing back in. The hot wire. Where'd it go? Where's the hot wire? There it is. Let's start there, so gotta plug that in. I did torque it down, so I'm snapped in. Here goes nothing. This thing gonna explode or what? So I'm gonna do propane, because I'm kind of daring that way. This is the original hose. I bought a secondary hose to try and eliminate that this hose was bad, but it didn't really do any difference. So I'm going to go select that propane so my safety switches are set right. Turn this battery on, and kind of nervous what's going to happen here. To turn this on. Okay, it started right up, no problems, which kind of indicates that that plumbing in the fuel type selector valve was bad. But I'm also on a small tank again, so. But I noticed that the hertz, I think the F dash whatever was 53 hertz. That's not good. It's not good. Should be around 60 hertz. Last time I looked at that was 61 hertz. Wonder what happened. What What's different? Now I'm going to turn that off. Turn this to gas. Turn this on. And see if I can quickly switch over to gasoline without blowing myself up. Okay, in conclusion, I think I'm successful at making this a viable, somewhat reliable generator, simply by removing that fuel selector type valve, fuel type selection valve out of the plumbing and going direct. So what I have to do, and I explained this thoroughly in my last video, or video before last, is if I want to use gasoline, I got to turn the propane off, then go over there and turn the fuel valve on, which is on. There's the map right there, and start it up. So it really wasn't that bad to get from here to there. The only thing I had to do was go to Home Depot and buy a 3/8 inch compression fitting on this side and a 3/8 inch adapter here, a coupler. This is a 3/8 compression. I don't know what type of plumbing this is, but it's basically all the same type of plumbing. This is just a coupler, and that was about 14-20 bucks, say. And I simply had to take the tank off to get to this and see what was going on, and just basically remove the hose and bring it over to there, and remove this hose and bring it directly to here. And the only thing I gotta do